First, waste your time. Stay up late, then wake up even later. Mindlessly scroll, binge watch shows you don't even enjoy, and avoid anything that could actually help you grow. Watch porn and jerk at least 2 times every day. Ignore your responsibilities, leave assignments for the last minute, skip studying, then blame the system when you fail. Forget your health, eat whatever, never move your body, and keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Hate yourself. Compare your life to everyone on social media. Convince yourself you're never good enough. Let self-doubt dictate every decision you make. Be angry. Hold grudges. Argue over pointless shits. Believe the world is against you. That's how you waste years drowning in negativity. Push people away. When someone cares, assume they're lying. When someone offers advice, reject it. And finally, do absolutely nothing about it. Watch the years pass by, realize too late that you wasted them. Or you could wake up, realize you still have time. Understand that you have a choice.